Morning. Here we have a 2013 BMW 3 Series Touring, I believe an F30 series. And the problem that we have is that the rear hatch hinge has broken. So if we look at the way this works, we have a bracket here which is attached to the chassis of the car down here, and it's bolted to this bracket using these bolts is this mechanism which is supporting the tailgate and the glass hatch. And what you can see is that in this mechanism there is a lug which comes out like that, and attached to it is a linkage comprising of I think 2 links, one here and one here, which goes through to a shaft here, and behind this bit here there is a heavy spring. So you can see that as the tailgate moves up and down, that this linkage here supports the weight of the hatch on that shaft. On the other side we can see that this shaft has failed, and it snaps off here, and that the linkage propelled by the spring has dropped down here. So to remedy it, I suspect one needs to undo these 2 bolts, remove this mechanism, put a new mechanism in, and then reattach everything, and it's all fine. Okay, hope that makes sense.